This video is about a tool called SCORE, which helps you map out options and capabilities in a given context. I'll use a live diagram to illustrate this. What we have here is the SCORE toolsheet as used in the preparation room, the third room in the 5-element series. But here we're largely using it as a standalone. The basic structure is that we have a focus question that we're working on. Then we have 5 domains we can move around between. On the one side, the stuff that's happening inside, the strengths, the capabilities that we already have, and challenges, the uncertainties and the issues that we need to deal with internally, that when we resolve them can themselves become strengths. On the other side, the outside world, we have opportunities, risks, options, openings, all kinds of things which we can see we're looking for, and the responses, the reactions, the real world evidence that's coming back to us. And between them as a kind of bridge is, how do we become more effective? So what I've done here is chosen an issue, which is we want to work on better customer support. The criteria that we want to check for effectiveness, we've committed ourselves to being more customer oriented, but we also need it to be cost effective. Now, when we look at the question about better customer support, a response we're getting from the real world is not the right information, which is a surprise to us because we have what we think of as strengths: our FAQ, online manuals, and a call center, a support call center. And we thought they were enough. But so if we think of that as bridging between them, what it's telling us is that we are at risk. We're risking losing customers if we don't get this one right. So we're going to look at what's going on. Well, the key word here is that word, not the right information. So what have we got? So it's not what the customers actually need from us. If we look over here, that we're now getting immediately a challenge of what is the right information and how can we better deliver it? As we look at this, we start thinking, hang on, the call center is not actually giving the right information. The call center all that the call center is doing is following scripts, which is not cost effective. Sorry, not customer oriented. It's not giving us what we need. So instead of having the people who can follow scripts and answer standard stuff, which is already on the FAQ and in the manuals, what people want from us is the right information, which means we need the most experienced people in the call center to give the stuff that's not in the manuals. So we need a training mechanism that is cost effective, that will bring us a new kind of call center, which in turn could create an opportunity for sales and consulting, but we'll need to see what the response is for that. So what's happening here is, rather than just making lists, we're using the categories to lead us around in a dance to see where it leads. Each thing leads to the others, and we build a new picture looking for new ideas, information and insights that will give us the information that we need and show us what the actions to take following on from this exploration.